I'm says you bebu compound share chia. San komo yen komo ye dini debia say president MP will be Emmanuel Mayor a substantive minister. Na untimi
87.9 Kumasi.
I'm say ya can president ka say anka ye di bro nya say there I'm beginning to have a picture because I say he wants to be both the commander in chief and the minister for defense. Sana me yen hono. Because also do also to form one I na ka say bikra so from certain circles. But hometism because a ministry be a key. Obi baka say you be a caretaker minister. True, who caretaker minister. Now who deputy defense minister. But no clear woman say, we a deputy defense minister. There are certain decisions you can never take on your own. This a winya minister, substantive minister. A minister who was substantive minister no so or no because a whole any area no a normal etimiko shesho. So be caretaker minister. Ono angasa yenhwe ministry on handle.
That is ato.
Yeah. And some bebre ene wo ho. Ento ono angasa defense ne pa no. Enya de anani ebe sheda awo ho sa. Ana deputy no so no. Eno ma bi wo ho a ontimi nyina ne na so enye no prekope. You see obi baka so bibi NC but enisa wo twen ema BBC ansa no hu say hey nanka wo se yes ade we. Yes, sir. Then you ask yourself, so what kind of system are we running? That can be an BBC answer. Media, me name the strategy behind, but whatever the strategy is, I think it is a bad one. It is a very bad one. So, Onwan Kasa will be the minister for defense. He should let the world know. Why? The president.
Oh, I'm not sure so big to me.
Well, I think so in our history we've had such a because the air cost no obia entiase